Learn how to manage and track your restaurant's disputed 365 pay transactions. These cases occur when the validity of a customer's charge is questioned by the cardholder or issuing bank, typically due to suspected fraud, unprovided services, and duplicate billing. Let's begin. To access these disputed transactions, the portal role assigned to your account must have the Finance and Payout History permissions enabled. When a customer files a dispute, you will be notified via email. You may be required to submit supporting documentation to Eats365 Support. To view your 365 Pay Dispute Transaction Report, log in to the Merchant Portal. If you handle multiple restaurants, ensure that you're viewing the correct one. Click on Reporting, then Finance. Select Dispute Transaction Report. Specify the date range of the period you want to include in the report. In this overview, you have a list of dispute cases with key details such as the order number, the date and time of dispute filing, the date and time of the sale, the payment method used, the dispute amount, the number of days remaining to defend the case, and the case status, along with the customer's dispute reason. The status changes depending on the current stage of the case. It can be undefended, which means the dispute has not been processed yet. This means you must send supporting documentation to Eats365 to defend the case. Defending, which means the dispute is being processed and awaiting a decision. Defend success, where the dispute was deemed invalid and the refund will not be processed to the customer for the disputed amount. Or defend lost, meaning the dispute was found to be valid and the refund will be issued to the customer for the disputed amount. To customize the details shown in the report, click on the menu and select the checkbox of the column you want to exclude. You can now refer to the Dispute Transaction Report to track your 365 Pay dispute cases.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content that helps you make the most of our services.